at me because my relationship came with that. It came with it. It's like a side order. You know, you got KFC and you order chicken, you order fries. You know what I mean? Yeah, the juice come with it. You got Popeyes, the biscuit come with the meal. Don't be mad at me because papers came with my relationship. It come with it. It come with it. What me that gonna do? Say no. Take it. Keep it. Just give me the relationship. Keep the papers. My husband wasn't going to live in Jamaica. He wasn't coming back to Jamaica to live. Well, what would you do? Tell me, what you would do? If you were me. Tell me what you would do. You fall in love with this man. Remember? The man body look good. Him look good. Him smell good. Him clean. Nice man. Nice man. Come to Jamaica. If like you off. The man talk to you nice. You like back the man. Right? You talk to the man. Him say him live a fight. You say to him, boy, no, come I don't want nobody waste my time. You see, say the brother, him not come for waste your time. Him come for treat you like a queen. Man come down, go on one knee in front of friends and family. Again, watch my YouTube channel. When he was proposing to me, he never did one away. I never no secret. I never no or come up quick thing because I hide me because of papers. No, baby. It was in front of my friends and family and closest people. His sisters fly down from Florida to Jamaica for my surprise engagement. You understand? Decent man. Treated me like a queen. So if it came with papers, what would you do? Tell me. Comment and tell me what you would do. Because apparently I did it wrong. So tell me, what would I do? What would you do? What you would do? Because remember, I never asked him if he was a citizen. How much people there in America for years and don't have no papers? Oh, me never know say just a 10-year green card the man have. Me never ask him. Thank you for the rose, Sapphire. Thank you for the roses. Wanna say what do that do? If you meet a nice looking man right now, him nice. Man look good. The man have a big ratted house, mansion. You live somewhere. You know. You're not desperate. You live somewhere. You have your nice little place. But your man have a mansion. You love after the man. What you would I do, baby? Tell me. You gonna tell him, man, no, me no want you because you have a mansion. Please, sir, mind your business. I don't want you. I don't want a man with mansion. Sir, I have my one room. I don't want no man with mansion. Take your mansion and go on. Tell me, what you would I do? What would you do? That me ask. Your mother may have ambition. You never see the birds all along. All right. All right, we got the birds now. Because you not tell me what you would do, you know. Guys, don't be mad at me because my relationship